Sabhasachi saha. Please Sabhasachi saha.
Good afternoon, everyone. It has been a pleasure for me to be here today and delivering the speech in front of you. Techno Exponent was founded in 2011. With a lot of hope, we started this business. There was a lot of dream. Techno Exponent always take programming into the next generations. Literally mean is create something new with technology that make yourself proud. In 2012, we registered our company, and end of 2012 and very beginning of 2013, we started our journey with a small office in Baguihati. The journey started. Lots of roadblocks were there. Slowly, with efforts, we crossed all the blocks. And today, we are here, 10 years journey. But this is just the foundations. Lots to go. We are expecting in next 5 years, we will reach 500% of the current situations. Yes, you all have heard correctly, 500%. If I consider Techno Exponent is a plane, then we were into the runways, and right now we successfully crossed the runway and made the takeoff and flying with the stable conditions. Now goal is to fly high. This is one-way journey. Why I am telling it's one-way journey? Reason, I have taken enough amount of fuel that we should not go back to the land again to take the fuel. And who are the fuels of Techno Exponent? Our client and all of you. When I say all of you, it means our dedicated team. Past many years, with huge effort, we form our team. Of course, making a productive team always takes time. Many people came to the Techno Exponent, many stayed, and many left the organizations. But one thing is clear, we have a huge bonding on ourselves, we have a trust on them, and we have always followed their pathways to make sure that we are working as an extraordinary team. This is a small image presented like our client and all of you. Techno Exponent is not only a company, it's emotions of many one. It's not only a salary generating machine. It's something which you all should be proud of. How to make the proud of Techno Exponent to create something new with your determinations, with your dedications. If every team member of us give 100%, then definitely the full organizations grows up. Just take an example of the home. In your home, not only your fathers, not only your mom, or not only you are the owner or main contributor of your home. Obviously, the contributor is your uncle, your grandfathers, even your great grandmom. If all give their effort combinedly, then obviously home becomes sweet home, no doubt about it. So here also the same thing. If in the company, all of us give the similar kind of effort or 100% effort based on our capabilities, obviously the Techno Exponent will reach the huge level and all the dreams will come true. Now I try to say about our journey. So Techno Exponent was formed 2011 digitally, and I said like 2012 our company been registered. 2012 end and 2013 very beginning in January we took our first office in Baguihati. 2014 our members grown and we started working on more new technologies. 2015, more member has come and in Baguihati we took another office. 2016, we took our second office which is in Salt Lake Sector 5, and that particular year we become privatized. Lot of technologies we have introduced in that particular year and more members joined into the Techno Exponent. 2017 in Sector 5 we took another room or office and we gradually increased lot of members and also in terms of technologies. 2018 we took a Delhi branch office initiatives. We have an office there, and also we took US branch office initiative in Dallas, Texas. That particular year, all public art news published in the Los Angeles Times. I will little bit tell about it later on. And I become the official CTO of all public art, one of the foreign company, and it was a huge honor for me as well as a moment, happy moment for Techno Exponent. This year also we started with a lot of new technologies and increased the family members. 2019 we had many collaboration happen. 3 giant collaboration happened in United States which we are working for a long time. 1 giant collaboration in Australia which we are working on a long time, and 1 big collaboration in Belgium. 2020, we joined hands again with another giant collaboration in Sweden and 1 more big collaboration in United States. Lot of technologies we have started, team member has been increased a huge margin. And 2021, celebrating 10 years, many more big collaboration is happening with USA, UK and Saudi Arabia, and taking a new branch initiative in London and Switzerland, and it is just an initiation happen. It's not an official declarations. Now, I should say, what is our vision, what is our mission, and what is our goal in 2022 and 2023? Just 2 years I like to tell you. When I tell about vision, missions, goal, I'm sure all of you will think this is just in the book, nothing to be implemented, or this should be written in the wall, but nothing to follow. I like to tell you a story. In 1984, Steve Jobs was fired from Apple, and in that time, Apple was a $1 billion company. In 10 years, Apple almost got bankrupted, and Jobs again asked to come back and fix the problem. When he called into the Apple, and he came to the Apple office, from senior person to the development team, all he asked one question: what Apple stood for. This means what the value you are creating in the market, what the ethics are. That we all should know that what is the value, what should be our goal and what should be our vision. Our long-term goal, I always kept very small and clean. Make something new with technology which make yourself and company proud. Remember, whatever the projects you are working, whatever the services you are giving, that actually you are delivering to the people of the world. Your services are using by many people in the world. And finally, you are contributing to the society. You are contributing to the betterment of the society. You are not only a programmer, you are not only a salesperson, you are not only a marketer. You are also contributing your part into the society, creating something huge. That's the important point and we should understand it. Many of the projects we have worked last few years without understanding what kind of values it is creating in the society. I want to tell you some of them because it's not a time to tell all of them. Just few of them I like to tell from top of my. In 2017, the All Public Art has been published into the Los Angeles Times. What value it has created? These projects we completed from Techno Exponent. What value it has created? It really helped a lot of the artists in the society. Previously, there was not such a great platform in the art industries. But artists got a platform where they can upload their artworks and finally those artwork could be sold into the $1 billion into the industries. Many artists got huge benefited. With cryptocurrency, Ethereum token and blockchain, we completed the products. So don't you think it's an enormous invention in the society? Obviously, and we should be proud of for that. Another project I like to take in the examples, KYS Tech. KYS Tech is creating a huge value. It's a digitalized form of notarizations. Seems very ordinary, but here, if you want to do any kind of notarizations for your home, office, or anything, you have to go to the lawyer and you have to do it. But KYS Tech giving these facilities from your home, just from your office, or from any places, you can notarize your documents. This also creating huge market impact. This kind of many projects are there which actually creating lot of values in the societies. And lot of giant companies is using this. Now, I like to tell something about our goal. So this year, we almost working those kind of technologies. And our plan in 1 year, we should add more into the bucket, like machine learning, data science, blockchain, DevOps, with our current technologies, PHP, Node, Java, React, Angular, Vue, Python. So this will give us a lot of technologies support which we can create a revolutionary product in the market. Because I always believe only technology helps to create the huge products into the market. Last 2 years, we have increased our developer 70%. Yes, you have heard correctly. We have reached our developer last 2 years, 70% we have our increase rate. So, next 2 years, our growth in terms of developer number is 150%. I'm too much proud that last 2 years, our HR team really worked hard and get a huge number of developers. And in next 2 years, our goal is 150% increase of the current rate. Last 2 years in the business, we have increased almost 25%. And next 2 years, our goal is to reach more than 40% of the current positions. I know those are not easy steps, but I have full confidence on our team and on myself that we can achieve it. Now, I like to tell you one thing. The business we do here in the foreign market and all of your contributions are a huge contributions to company and to the society. I and our management are clear understanding the work we do and we prioritize it. If company grows, all of you grow. That there will not be any doubt. We are enough powerful and we are enough stable. If company grows, all of us secure and all of us can run a long ways. You are all the big fish in a small size pond. And if pond grows, you also will be grow. There is no doubt about it. I and my management want to clear one point to you, and this point are very loud and clear. I want to put in front of you. Everyone in the company has a similar part. Everyone. It's not something here a distinction. Obviously, we all have respect to each other. We have different positions like CEO, MD, VP, senior developer, senior manager, team lead, project manager, senior HR, a lot of roles are there. This is just a roles for the work, but ultimately all of your work has the same values. There is no difference between us. That's I want to make sure you and everyone should got, you and management, all of us should get clear about it. Because many of us you knew, so it should be loud and clear. We take all of our persons with enough care and we take all of them understand properly, like they all get proper justifications. End goal, again, if company grows, all of you will grow and all of you will be getting all kind of benefits. I feel if we create something new with technology and make ourselves proud, so definitely company will be proud and we will say something at the end that we make something which have a huge market share in the society. We all have completed our MBAs, BTech graduations from big universities. Not only just to come on the earth and die. So our goal is to work hard and create something in a way that at the end of the day, we are proud of ourselves, and if we are proud of ourselves, company also will be proud, and ultimately everyone goal will be reaching and everyone will be successful. Thank you, that's all from my end.